y'all. Today we're going to do a pumpkin honey bun cake, perfect for the fall weather. First thing that you need to do is heat your oven to 350 degrees. Grease the bottom and sides of a 13 by 9 glass baking dish or a baking pan. And let's get started. For the cake batter, you're going to need a mixing bowl, a yellow cake mix. Let's go ahead and put that in there. We're going to need a half a cup of oil, four eggs, but I'm putting 3 because the eggs I had were really big. We're going to do our sour cream. All measurements will be there down below if I don't say them. Okay. That. And pumpkin. Mix this together. Alright, and we need to put our pumpkin pie spice before we forget. So we need 2.5 teaspoons. So 1, 2. Okay, now you're going to measure out 2 cups of your batter and you're going to put it at the bottom of your pan. So we need to move all these out of the way. Bring your pan over. Here. So about 2 cups worth. So we're going to leave it there like that. And then you are going to combine your brown sugar and your chopped walnuts. Now I use chopped pecans because that's what I have on hand. So try to get this where y'all can see. You're going to combine these together. Okay, brown sugar and chopped walnuts or pecans, either one would work. Okay, and bring your pan back and spoon this over. Sprinkle this over. Okay. Put the remaining batter on top. And you're going to be very careful. Spread this out. that in our preheated oven. And we're going to bake for 35 to 40 minutes until the toothpick comes out clean. And now I am going to make the glaze. Put a bowl, I've got stuff all over my hands. We can get this done. All right. So, you're going to need you're going to need a cup of powdered sugar, teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 tablespoons of milk. Okay. You'll need a whisk. Okay, so as soon as the cake is done, you will take the glaze and you'll pour over the top. And do not wait for it to cool. Just pour it over the hot cake, and then you'll cool it completely before serving. So I'll show you that as soon as it comes out of the oven. Okay, now that the cake is out of the oven, we need to pour our glaze over it. I'm going to try to spread it out just a little bit without messing everything up. Okay, that's it. So all you have to do now is let it cool really good and completely, and cut it up and serve. All right, y'all. See you next time.